If you ever get locked out of your Gmail account, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Gmail account using your recovery email step by step so you can get back into your inbox quickly and safely. This is one of the easiest recovery methods if you still have access to your backup email address, and it works great when you need to verify that it's really you. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/sign-in/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page, and it's the correct place to start the process. Once the page loads, enter the Gmail address of the account you want to recover. Make sure you type it carefully because even a small typo can send you to the wrong account recovery path. After entering your email address, click Next to continue. Google will now begin the recovery process. Depending on your account settings, it may try different verification methods first. If you don't see the recovery email option right away, keep clicking, try another way. Google may offer other steps like a phone number, device confirmation, or additional verification prompts before showing the recovery email option. Keep going until the recovery email verification appears. Once you see that option, select Recovery Email Verification. At this point, Google will send a verification code to your recovery email inbox. Now open the inbox for the recovery email address you linked to your Gmail account. Check your inbox carefully and also look in your spam or promotions folders if you don't see the message right away. The email from Google should contain a verification code. Copy that code exactly as shown, then go back to the recovery page and enter the code into the verification field. After entering the code, click Next or continue to the password reset step. If the code is correct, Google will allow you to create a new Gmail password. Choose a strong new password that you have not used before and make sure it is something you can remember but others cannot easily guess. Type the new password carefully, confirm it if needed, and save the changes. Once the password is updated, your account recovery is complete. Now try signing in again using your Gmail address and the new password you just created. If everything was entered correctly, you should be able to access your account normally. From there, take a moment to review your account recovery settings and make sure your recovery email is still up to date, so it's easier to get back in the future if you ever need to. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Gmail account using your recovery email. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.